Hello guys, how are you? Hello sunshine. Hello sunshines. So, I have been thinking about buying something that I really want. So I just want to buy it. It's time for me to buy it. Okay, first of all, where have I been? Or where I have been? I have not been interactive with videos, and there's a reasons I will explain to you guys. But for now, let's go into why I decided to film this video. As you can see from the title, unboxing the second generation of AirPods, Apple AirPods. Got that right? So I will be saying to you guys on Wednesday, don't forget to go ahead and what is it? Let me remember. Subscribe, like, share, comment below what you guys think. And yeah, I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.
Many minutes later.
Hello guys. Well, I just got out from school. From my discussion oracle lecture. And I got out and I looked at my phone and I saw my specialties or AirPods are ready to be picked up. Sorry, it's not Wednesday, it's Friday. But makes sense, right? So now I am going to pick up my AirPods and head to work. So stay tuned. We shall actually hold on, let me give you a tour of Chicago because last time I didn't give you some police. Okay. So actually I didn't know that my AirPods will be ready to pick up today because they say next week. So let me just get out from this place.
Pay attention, be careful on that door.
Okay. So I just got out from this place over there, the back of me, and I just picked up those guys. I'll be explaining more details and I'm going to unbox everything right in front of you guys so you can see and could feel the love at the same time as I'm feeling the love. So stay tuned for another unboxing and I'll see you soon. Now let's hit the road to work. I'm going to work. I just picked up some fries. And yeah. I'll be seeing you guys soon. The train is There you go. The change. Bye guys.
Gary, Squidward is not a freeloader, and he would never take advantage of me. 3 weeks later. He's just having a hard time getting his confidence back. Many months later. I'm sure he's close to a breakthrough.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Guys, how are you? Hello sunshine. I recently ordered an Apple AirPods. Ooh, that sounds fancy. Oh my gosh. I believe I ordered it on Saturday, Sunday? I don't know. Hold on, let me check. Okay, I placed the order on October 20, meaning it is, according to my calendar, it's Sunday. I placed the order on Sunday before I went to work. Remember guys? Remember? Yes. Just say yes, please. And then it shows that, and I got excited that I will be picking up this week, Wednesday. And then I looked at it again. It said pick up October 30th. It's like, okay, I have to wait another week to pick it up. So, but I did. It came today. It's arrived today. And I just picked it up. Well, not just, like a few hours ago. Moments ago. Momentarily. So, let's move on to the actual thing. Oh wait, why did I order it online first of all? I ordered online because I did the free engraving, and if you did the free engraving, that meaning it will be done in the corporate because they did engraving and they engraved my name on the thing. So yeah. So that's why it took a longer time. Okay, moving on. Next thing. Let's bring this guest, or you guys know this guest already, so let's bring applause. Yay. Wow. AirPods. What goes wrong with AirPods? AirPods. I bought the AirPods with the wireless charging case. I'm going to open this case momentarily. I'm excited to open it too, so yeah, it's my first time having the AirPods. I'm so excited to open it. Yay! And yeah, let's get on with it. Okay. The new AirPods. Oh yeah. Those are the second generation AirPods because I wanted the first generation, but they didn't have them. So I just went to what's wrong with the second generation, right guys? Right, yeah, okay. So the new AirPods, complete with wireless charging case, deliver the wireless headphone experience, reimagined. Just pull them out of the case and they're ready to use with your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. Oh, what is the box? AirPods, wireless charging case, lightning to USB cable, text bags, and yeah. Okay. Let's go on and open those babies up. So while I'm looking at the image of the online, So, like always, we say Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So, let's open them. Oh, first thing first. If you have not subscribe. If you have not subscribed, go down, smash that subscribe button or smash that like button. I don't know which one. Just smash them both. There you go. And comment down below. Give me ideas. Tell me what you guys think. And yeah. Okay, I really don't know how to open those, guys. Help me. Okay. Oh la la. Okay. Like always, Apple. I'm about to say Home Depot. Like always, with the manual of them, I probably will be using this or will be needing this, just like I needed the one for the Apple Watch. And like always, Apple just love to give you some safety in handling of the device. And I also will get Apple One year limited warranty accessory for Apple and Beef branded products.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Siri? Seriously? I mean, that's Siri. Let's go. Yeah, my Echo loves to speak with me. So, I got 1 year manufacturer warranty. I hope I won't be needing that.
I'm not sure.
Echo, be quiet. Okay. Let's continue on. My Echo loves to speak with me sometimes. Okay, AirPods. Turn on Bluetooth. Connect AirPods. Start listening. Use with your other Apple devices. Connect to other devices. Control AirPods. Check charge status and charge wirelessly. Okay. Look at how cute they are though. This is like the actual Apple AirPods. Mine is not unfocused. Oh my god, you guys have to see my engraving. That's so amazing. You know how I told you guys that I ordered online for them to engrave my name on there? But look at this. Look at this. My name is engraved. Ahmad An-Noor. Those are the headphones. They're earpieces. There comes earpieces. And yeah, those are my very own. They go just right in your ear. Voila. Now I have my own very own good one. But I'm so proud that they have my name on there. Okay, seriously. Like it is. Right on. And like always, charging. Okay. Let's put them back. Let's go on. And Apple just gave me another wire in order for me to charge sweet AirPods. Okay, I probably will not be needing that, but I probably will need that because yeah, those are the wire for the AirPods. Thanks, Apple. You're very welcome. Thank you. Okay. Since now we are officially in our AirPods, let's try to connect our AirPods, or the one that I threw away like this. Now I grab it back just to learn from it. You know, people just throw things, but they go and grab them back, learn from them again. Yeah. Like I said. Okay. It's time to connect. Yeah. Okay, I don't need the box. I mean, there. Go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and it should be saying, wait, how to connect? Oh, AirPods, okay. It was your AirPods. Apple Shop's AirPods. Wow. Okay. Okay. I guess I have to wear them. Oh no, they're connected. Let's test. Wow. Okay. Let's play some music. Oh my gosh. Those are amazing. If you tap it twice, that means it's go to the next song. Hey Siri. Hello Siri. And if you take it out of your ear, both or one, the music will stop. You'll be back. Let's play. I'm telling you, go get yourself one. They're worth it. Okay. Finally, I'm done with AirPods. And I shall be charging them. Okay. Let's recap what I have. What Apple product I have. Let's recap. So I bought an Apple Watch. I bought an iPhone XR. I got an iPhone, Apple Watch, MacBook Air, and now I got those cuties right there. Oh my god. And yeah. Probably there's more coming. More Apple product will be coming soon. So, not soon, but you know, in the future. For now, peace out.